Anytime that we don't have a prefix, we assume or we imply that there's only one of those molecules, right? So there's one glucose molecule here. The same is true for our subscripts. Anytime we don't see a subscript, we assume or we imply that there's just one carbon here, there's just one oxygen here, and so on. We can convert a chemical equation to standard English in a sentence like this. So we can read this chemical equation with this sentence. Light energy plus 6 molecules of carbon dioxide plus 6 molecules of water react to form 6 molecules of glucose plus 6 molecules of oxygen gas. That, my friends, is a very long and complicated sentence. That's why we use these codes, these letters, to abbreviate and make it much more streamlined when we're talking about chemical reactions. So I've given you an introduction to chemical reactions. We're going to talk now a little bit about the text. Trapping of sun's energy. Chloroplast is the green organelles that plant cells have. They use chlorophyll to absorb sunlight during the first stage of photosynthesis. The green color comes from a pigment, which are colored chemicals that absorb light. The green photosynthetic pigment in the chloroplast of plants and algae and some bacteria is called chlorophyll. Okay? So chloroplast are the organelles, right? That we talked about organelles, right? And we can see some chloroplast here, these green guys moving around, right? Chlorophyll is a specific molecule inside the chloroplast that absorb or allow the absorption of light, and they make the chloroplast green. Questions. Which organelles are responsible for absorbing plant cells? That is light. Oh, I see. Which organelles are responsible for absorbing light in plant cells? The cell membrane, chlorophyll, chloroplast, chromosomes, or cytoplasm. And the second question we have is chlorophyll is a single molecule pigment. What color is it? So the organelles that are responsible for absorbing light in plant cells are chloroplast, right? And chlorophyll is typically green, okay? Picture solar cells in a solar power calculator. Chlorophyll functions in a similar way. Solar cells take in light energy and convert it to a usable form so that it can power the calculator. Chlorophyll captures light energy that the chloroplast uses to create gas and sugar in figure 4. So we've got our chlorophyll or chloroplast here, right? I'm so confused. We've got our chlorophylls here, right? And the waters and carbon dioxide are coming through here, and they're producing sugar and oxygen. Word bank. Okay, so we've got chlorophyll, chloroplast, oxygen, and sugar. Blank is an organelle that enables photosynthesis. Photosynthesis of blank, the product of photosynthesis include blank glass and blank. Blank captures light. I'll give you a second to fill those in. Chloroplast is the organelle that enables photosynthesis. The products of photosynthesis are oxygen and sugar. And chlorophyll is a molecule that captures light.